Welcome to this lesson on ScratchJr. On ScratchJr, your child can create games, stories, or whatever sparks their imagination. Today, I will show you how to create a character and how to move the character. To get started on ScratchJr, you need an iPad or an Android tablet. Then you need to download the ScratchJr application from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. When you first get started, you should see a screen that looks like this. I want you to click on the Home button. Then you should see the project area. This is a list of your projects. To create a new project, you need to click on the plus button. When you first start a project, you will see a default character. To change the default character, you need to hold down on him until he wiggles and click the X to clear the character away. And to select a new character, we need to click the plus button. Scroll down, select the fish, and hit the check mark. Okay, so now you should see the fish, and we're going to go ahead and select a background. So we're going to select the beach day, put the check mark, and then now we should see the fish and the beach background. Down here is the program area. You should see a fish that is on the left side because we selected a fish. And we're going to focus on the motion blocks. These are the motion blocks. In order to select the motion block, you need to select the blue button. So first thing, we're going to drag this block and click, and it should move the fish to the right. We drag this one and click, should move the fish to the left. The fish should go up. And then we click on this one, the fish should go down. Let's say we want to make the fish move without any pauses. All we need to do is snap the blocks together. You can achieve the same results by heading to the yellow button, dragging this flag over, and then clicking it too. We can achieve the same results by clicking on the green flag. Thank you for watching this lesson on ScratchJr. Subscribe to my channel for more coding lessons.